as we can without completely pulling it out, just because we put so much work in trying to get it in the correct position. So we have it pulled all the way this way and a little bit further out so that we can put the exhaust manifold on. And now that we have the exhaust manifold on, what's the problem?
Yeah, the drift motion manifold, the hole is too close to the runner on the exhaust manifold, so you can't get a factory bolt into the hole, so we have to cut the bolt down or find another bolt that's shorter so we can kind of get it into the hole.
So as you guys can see, because of the length of the bolt, it's slanted downwards, because if we tried to level it out, it hits this part of the exhaust manifold. So the bolt is basically just too long and we can't thread it into the hole that it's sitting in. All the dogs. We need a garage. Don't tell me it doesn't fit on there.
Quick today, a little update. We got the turbo pretty much mocked up. Nothing's bolted on completely. We ran into a problem with the bolt not fitting into the exhaust manifold, so we can't bolt everything up, but we'll fix that and then we'll be able to finish up the turbo. So everything's mocked up right now for the turbo. We went ahead and finished up the fuel lines, which everything is hooked up to the engine now fuel wise, so we should be able to turn the key and have fuel. And then we decided to go ahead with the Wiring Specialties harness and mock it up, and we ran into a few issues with the connectors, so we're gonna have to contact Wiring Specialties now, which sucks because it's gonna take our time, but we're gonna leave the harness on for now because it's pretty much hooked up and it's looking clean. If you guys want more of us telling you information about the swap or parts we used or problems, anything like that, if you're doing the swap and you want to know more, just leave us a comment or message or whatever, just so we kind of know what you guys want to see. But other than that, look out for the next video because we're making progress.
Am I ever actually gonna trip ever again?